Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unlocking a massive hidden time saver for product photographers, metadata templates. So you just nailed a 200 photo shoot, but manually entering keywords? Man, that's a soul-crushing time sink. But here's the secret. Every image hides an invisible data layer, like a vault for your brand info. Enter the metadata template. It's basically a reusable profile of data fields you can apply to multiple photos instantly. The time savings are absolutely staggering. What takes 5 grueling hours manually takes literally 5 minutes with automation. Right, by using injection tools, pros are reclaiming an average of 4 to 6 hours per shoot. Prioritize copyright and keywords for that sweet SEO power. But pro tip, definitely skip GPS fields for privacy. Okay, building this template is like baking a 3-layer cake. Let's start with the foundation, brand data. Layer 1 is your static brand data, things like copyright notices and emails. Just set it and forget it. Layer 2, collection data. This changes per shoot, letting you blanket a whole batch with base keywords. Finally, the product layer. This is strictly for unique image-specific details, like variant colors or full captions. Now, this isn't just about saving time. Major stock photography sites literally legally demand this embedded data. It's also a secret SEO weapon. Even if Etsy ignores it, Google reads this metadata instantly. In fact, embedding targeted keywords on Shopify dramatically skyrockets your chances of ranking on Google Images. But watch out for pitfalls. Leaving your copyright empty or letting platforms strip data leaves you legally exposed. Also, please ditch generic keywords like photo. Highly specific terms like minimalist, handmade leather wallet actually drive sales. Social platforms often strip this protective data during upload, so always keep your fully tagged master copies safely stored. Metadata is literally an invisible shield for your hard work. So are your current product photos sitting completely unprotected?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.